What is this place?
What do you see?
Do you always do that? Answer a question with another question?
Most of the time we have the answers we use, but we like other people to answer them.
Ah, jibber jabber. Blimey!
Well, you wanted to be outside.
Except that there is nowhere to go.
Are you scared?
No.
Then trust yourself. Take a chance.
By the way, why can I breathe in space?
Who said you were in space?
You're helpless. I'm done asking you things.
Still don't want to talk?
Aren't you tired of being stuck here? Is this why you're keeping me? Because you feel lonely? If you help me, I could help you escape.
Such things don't exist for me.
Running out would have been too easy, right?
Stop blaming me and get to it.
Do names exist for you?
I don't know.
Is there a name you like then?
Invisible Girl is a good name.
Alright, Invisible Girl. I'll find ourselves a way out.
Then I'll come with you.
Let's call you IG for short, okay?
Okay?
This is another of your games. I thought you said you would help.
I have no control over this.
Yeah, right.
I'm sure you'll handle this well. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Harry.
Harry who?
Hurry up. You shouldn't stay out there.
I love knock-knock jokes too.
I know. Come on, let's go on an adventure. Don't burn your wings.
I'm trying not to. I love this sky.
It does fill up the void, doesn't it?
There's another room ahead.
There will always be if you choose so.
Outside makes me feel trapped just as much.
The box is sometimes much wider than it looks.
Any clue?
What about?
Well, the next step.
What would you like to see?
The end of the maze. What the dickens?
What is it? Pick it up.
I won't even ask if you know what it does.
I'd be embarrassed.
What could it be?
Pretty?
Beyond pretty. What could it be?
I'd say around 216 polygons.
What?
Nothing.
Alright, mysterious IG. Let's drop that and I'll take you out for a drink.
Lovely.
Well, only if there's a bar. Can you do that for me?
I'm not sure this is the right kind of place.
Let's find out.